Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can launch loyalty and reward program in your Shopify store. So it means that whenever a customer purchases from your store, you give them some points and they can later redeem that points and earn discounts. Also, you can give special incentives to your VIP customers. Also, you can launch a affiliate program that some if someone advertise your products, they get a commission. So for this purpose, we will be using the smile.io app, and this is one of the most easiest integration apps that I have ever seen in Shopify, and there is no complexity involved, and when you will see the functionality you will be surprised and happy to see that the things are according to your requirements. So this is the website of this app, smile.io, and if you click on integrations, they have like three integrations or other integrations as well, but we are concerned with Shopify. And once I click on Shopify, it takes me to this page, and the most trusted loyalty app on Shopify. So I will click on get started, and it will take me to the app store app page on Shopify, and it has like 6700 plus ratings. So it means it is trusted by a lot of people. Obviously the install would be much greater. Not everyone reviews the app on Shopify. So I will click on install, and after you click on install, it will take you to this page. And once we click on install again, so as you can see, we have a welcome page of this app. So what we have to do, we have to click on launch your program. If you scroll down, it will show us launch your program, turn your loyalty program on so that customers can earn point on every order. So launch your program. Okay, I will choose the free plan for it. The program must be activated for your customer to use it. Activate program, and the points have been activated. Like customers can earn the points for each order, and then obviously they can redeem it. I will just show you the settings later on how you can actually do this. So first we have to activate each one. So the referral program should also be active. Then there is VIP program. It is for the paid payment. So currently we are not concerned with the paid version of this app. This is activity bonus campaigns. So currently it's not required. So if we go into the settings, let's check some of the settings of this app. As you can see, you can change the branding, you can change all the language and account information. Currently we are concerned with the branding. Let me show you how you can edit the data. You can change the colors from here. Like if you want to change the overall color scheme for your loyalty program, you can change from here, as you can see. So but this is also included in the paid program, in the paid version of this app. Currently our purpose is to test the app, so we don't want to upgrade the app just for the color scheme. So this is how you can change. I want to show you how you can change the color scheme and all this other stuff. So you can also change the placement on all the other visibility. If you click on upgrade now, like it will take you to the like $49 per month. Currently we don't want to use it. We want to stick with the free program because we don't have orders in our store for now. So let's stick to the basic one. Okay, if you click on program, and then we have the points, referrals, VIP activity and bonus campaigns. One thing you have to make sure, if this app doesn't give you the option to integrate uh, this app as an embedded app in the Shopify theme customization, you have to manually do it. So what I mean, let me show you. I mean that you have to open the theme customization and then click on apps embedded, and then you have to see if the smile.io is checked or not. If it is not checked, you have to check it and then click on save. Okay, this is the most important step. If the app doesn't give you the option, you have to manually go into the theme customization and activate it. And this rule applies to almost all the 2.0 theme 2.0 apps, that you have to manually, like most of the apps I'm talking about, you have to manually integrate them or you activate them in the theme customization. Currently it is activated, so we can work with the app now. And if you click on points, this is how you can add the conditions. Like we can set the condition for every 1 rupees the spent, the customer earns 1 point. So I don't want this option. I want like for every 1 rupee spent, the customer earns like at least 2 rupees. Okay, 2 points for every 1 rupees. The customer earns 2 points, and then we can see it has another option: fixed number of points, increment of points. This is recommended. Okay, so click on save. So now we have to set how they can redeem the points, how much points they need to earn the discount. So if you go back, and as you can see, we have set the condition that for every 1 rupees they earn 2 points, and then for every 100 points they have in their dashboard, they can redeem the 10 rupees discount. So that's a good discount actually. So, okay, so you can also change that setting from here. If you click on redeem, and you can change the setting from here, customer gets 10 rupees discount on every 100 points. So you can change the condition if you want, but currently I'm satisfied with this condition. And this discount can be combined with discount order discount. So this is optional, so but we can check it. It's up to you, but currently I think we should go with this default option. Applies to entire order, specific collection, minimum requirements, minimum purchase amount. Is there should be any minimum purchase amount? Yes, there should be some minimum, like 1,000 rupees should be the only, then the customer can redeem. Okay, so this is how it is set up. Now we have set up the redeem conditions. So this is how it is easy to set up the points setting and redeem setting. Currently this program is activated. So there's another option which is referral. We are concerned with the points and referrals. In the VIP is in the paid version of this app, so we will also be concerned with the referral. So referring customer reward, if you refer any customer, you get 500 rupees percent off. So yes, this is a good one. Referred person reward. So 500 rupees coupon. So I want to change the setting, like it will be like 250 rupees. Okay, so we don't want to give too much commission to everyone, or for the for the referred person reward. So if you refer someone, how much discount will he get? Like I would say you will get 250 rupees discount. Okay, guess refer nudge. So it will create the link automatically, enable global setting. Yes, all the process is done. Refer landing page, you can also change the landing page URL, but it is default, we can go with it. And this is in the paid plan. VIP, you can if you have some customers who order regularly from you, so you can give them regular discounts, you can give them special incentives, and it can be done from this tab. Okay, so you can also track your activities from here there will be activity in your store. So let's see how this app is actually working. So if you open the live store, you will see the option rewards. This is how the loyalty program works. If any customer clicks on reward, he will be able to see how much points does he got and how he can redeem it later on. So as you can see, I have 0 points. You need to be logged in. Every customer should log in into the store so that they can see this reward. So if you are not logged in, it will show you the option to log in into your store. So currently I have 0 points and ways to redeem, and it shows that once you have the 100 points, it will show you how you can redeem it in the order page, on how you can use that point to get the discount. So this is how attractive layout it is showing. And also this is the URL it has created automatically for me. Like I can copy this URL and give to my friend. My friend will be able to use this URL and get 250 rupees discount. So this works really easily. As you can see, it has taken me to the store. So all the process, the refer is also working fine, the discount code is also working fine. So once we have the discount, if some customer purchases from your store, he or she earns the points, he can redeem it in the store very easily. And if you go to the uh, login page, you will also be able to see the points. As you can see, this feature is only available on the paid plan points balance on account page. So you will not be able to see the balance on the account page, login page. If you are on the free plan, your customers will not be able to see. They will only be able to see the points here. As you see, if you go to the store, you will see a floating bar, and you will only be able to see the points there if you are using the free plan. But for the beginners, this free plan works really fine. But if you want some advanced functionalities, like if you want your customers to have the VIP treatment, the loyal customers, and also if you want them to see the points on the login page, obviously you have to switch to the paid plan. So I hope the things are clear. You can get all the settings from it. On-site content, if you click on on-site content, you will see all the advanced options from here. So this is how you can customize it. But most of the points, most of the things, these are paid, like redeem at checkout. You can also set up the option that customers can redeem the points at the checkout. But again, it's a paid one. Okay, so for the free plan, you have to stick to the basic one. But they work fine. This option is only available to Shopify Plus merchants, that they can redeem at checkout. For the free plan, obviously you have to use the way that this app recommends. So I hope the things are clear. If you found any confusion for this app, currently we have only used the free features, so I haven't been able to explore the paid ones. But if you are using the paid features, and if you feel any issue, you can let me know in the comments, and uh, I will reply back to you, and we will figure out how to make this app work better for you. Thank you very much.